I know I'm drinking, I'll be sober someday. I know I'm walking, I'll be driving someday. Man, I see you a paper chaser. You wake up, you have her. Man, I wish I were you. My chick's telling me she's going away. Tryna tell her, stay, baby, stay, 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 baby, stay, 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 baby, stay, 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 baby, stay, stay. You say you got me, you say you got me. I think you got every guy in the city with some type of money. I know you're feeling the pain. You solve every problem by running away. And I know they paying for all your champagne, but you end up paying for all your mistakes, yeah. But when I say I got you, I mean I got you. I know I don't have everything that you want, but baby, I'm about to climb the ladder up to success. Matter of fact, fuck the ladder straight to success. Yes, I'm about to, yeah, about to, I'm about to.
You on Instagram, but I don't think you get the pic though. Think you get it? Shit, holding on is hard, but I don't really wanna let go. I wanna do it, but fuck, I gotta let go. Guess it's what I need to do, cause pleasing you ain't easy shit for me to do. We used to be so meaningful, but hey, we fell in love together. Now we buckle under pressure. If you thought the grass was greener, now you know it's never better. Now you know, and who can turn the pain into pleasure? Cause I don't wanna fall in depression, and I don't really know your intention. Yeah, would you leave me now? If it wasn't for the cash, would you leave me now?
Would you leave me now?
Do you believe me now?
Do you believe me
Now that I got cash, do you believe me now?
I know I'm drinking, I'll be sober someday. I know I'm walking, I'll be driving someday. Man, I see you a paper chaser. You wake up, you have her. Man, I wish I were you. My chick's telling me she's going away. Tryna tell her, stay, baby, stay.